Guys, I will show you how to make a donut box, how to make it by your hand, also how to assemble it without the help of tape and paste. But if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and set the notification bell to all so you will be notified for my next uploads. This will be the measurement for 6 pieces donuts, 12 inches for the length, 8.5 inches for the width, and 3 inches for the height. You can make your own measurement, just measure your donut. Then for the 12 pieces donuts, length is 17 inches, and then the width is 12.5 inches, and the height is the same to 6 pieces. It is 3 inches. This is my donut box, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Its dimension is 12 inches by 8.5 inches by 3 inches. We will start measuring from the edge of the box. We will measure 3 inches. This is for the height. And the 12 inches. Then 3 inches again. Then the width of the box. So from the bottom, you measure 3 inches upward. Then the width of the box is 8.5. So you measure 8.5. Then the height again, which is 3 inches. You measure 3 inches again, and the width again. Again, the width is 8.5, or we can make it 8.6, because when you fold the box, it will be short, so you have to adjust. And then another 3 inches, which is for the cover. Then on the other side, so 3 inches, then 8.5, then 3 inches, and 8.6, and 3 inches. Okay, then measure 3 inches, then 12, then 3, okay, then we can make a line. So this will be the layout of the box. Okay, let's now cut. Get the center. Okay. Like these. Let's make it curve. Okay guys, I'm going to put a line or hole here. How am I going to make it? I will just mark here. This will be the guide. So here, I'm gonna make a guide. Here, I'm also going to measure 1.5 from the mark that I had made a while ago. We can make a line or a hole so we can insert all we have. Start putting like this and putting like this. Okay, so we're almost done. This is the side. Now, and we can cut this one. I think I can cut this. Okay. Have it. Okay, how are we going to fix this one? We are going to make something to insert here to lock the box. So we will just get the middle or the center of this box. That's the center. Okay, so we can make a hole here, or maybe here, here, and here. So just width of 1 inch. Also on the other side, I just get the center of it. Okay. And then here, you will get the middle of this one, or the center of this one, which is 6, I think. Yeah, because this is 12, so we will get the middle, which is 6th. So this one and this one. Okay, we have put a mark, so we're going to cut it out. Just a bit like that. Okay. Okay. Then here on the side, Okay, and then we're going to cut here. Let's cut it. We just make it a little bit longer. Now we already have a donut box without using a tape. Let's now assemble this one. Okay, put it here, put it here, then insert this one. See, we can now insert it here. Okay, also this one we can insert it here like that. Okay, and this one also we can insert it here. Now this is our donut box. So we're done. We will not be using a tape. Okay, this is now the donut box. This is the final layout of the donut box. So the unassembled box should look like this. See, that's it. You just have to make like this format and you're done. Without using any tape, you can assemble this box. If you want to make several pieces of this, then you just have to trace out and then cut using the cutter or the scissor. It's easy. That should be the side. Okay, and that should be the side on the cover, and that should be the one on top, and this should be in the front side. Okay, that's it.